Hello everyone, myself Prashant. I'm the creator of Bidinga, which is an AI-powered desktop on-screen assistant, and which is designed to make your digital tasks easier, faster, and stress-free. I'm a tech enthusiast, a product builder with a passion for solving real problems. And now I have built something that I believe can help thousands or maybe millions of people. So anyone can confidently tackle digital tasks without frustration and turn moments of confusion with everyday tools into a much more smooth, guided experience. So we all know the feeling when you're trying to fill out a form, book a ticket, or download governmented proof, or do something in Excel, or troubleshoot an issue in your code, or change the settings or configurations of your Google or YouTube account, and suddenly you're lost. You Google it, you scroll through different websites to find a solution. You try ChatGPT, it gives you a long explanation, but you're still unaware where to actually click. So that's where Bidinga comes in. Your personal on-screen AI assistant. Just type or speak your task. Whether it's creating a table in Excel, downloading your governmented proof, booking a flight ticket, adjusting desktop settings, or even fixing a bug in your code. Bidinga instantly reads your screen, understands what you need, and guides you through it step by step. It tells you where to click, what to write clearly, simply, and in real time. But here's the best part: Bidinga doesn't just explain in text. It speaks to you. It tells you what to do in your language, one step at a time. So the next question comes, how is Bidinga different from other AI applications? Because there are lots of AI applications already in the market. But how is Bidinga different? Unlike most articles that give generic advice or long lists of instructions to follow, Bidinga is not like that. Bidinga sees what you see on your screen and responds based on your screen in real time. But here's something that makes it even more powerful and user-friendly. It doesn't monitor your screen continuously. You don't need to share your screen. Bidinga only captures a screenshot when you click the assist button and tells you the next steps based on your task, which you have typed. This helps keep your privacy and control intact. That means nothing is recorded or tracked in the background. It's private, secure, and completely under your command. So what are the things we can solve with Bidinga? And are there any popular use case scenarios people are already using it for? Here on your screen are some popular use cases people are already using Bidinga for. For example, creating a dashboard in Excel, downloading governmented proof, assistance in filling government, confusing forms, and even helping tech folks resolve bugs in their code. So whether you're a student, freelancer, parent, or someone new to tech, Bidinga helps you take control of your screen. It sits beside you and tells you what next step you have to take and where you have to click. So what are the key features of Bidinga? Let me quickly walk you through some of the powerful features that are built into Bidinga and make it even more interesting. Voice and text input. Right now, you can interact with Bidinga beta using text input. In the upcoming future, we'll include voice input as well. Multi-language support. Currently, we support English and Hindi in the beta version, but in future, you'll hear responses in your own language very soon. On-demand assistance, as I already mentioned, Bidinga doesn't track your screen continuously. It runs on your click on your demand. Step-by-step clarity. It doesn't give you a set of long instructions, but step-by-step guidance what to do next and where to click. Lightweight. It works smoothly even on basic Windows systems. And one bonus point for you, we have free credits right now. So during the beta testing, we're providing free credits. Right now, Bidinga is in its beta version only, and it is available for Windows. We are constantly improving it, based on user feedback. If you'd like to try it out, please visit our website, www.bidinga.com, and download it for free. I'd love to hear your thoughts, ideas, and suggestions because this product is built for you. Let's make digital tasks easier for everyone. And remember, next time you're stuck, don't Google it. Don't ask ChatGPT and don't struggle. Just ask Bidinga and it will tell you the next step you need to take.